Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an ebook to your Shopify store. Selling digital products like ebooks can be a great way to reach your audience, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll use an app to manage your ebook sales. In the search bar, type Digital Downloads. From the list of apps that appears, find Digital Downloads by PhilMonk. This app is designed specifically for selling digital products and makes it easy for customers to download files directly from your store. Next, click Install and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, click Get Started to launch PhilMonk within Shopify. For beginners, the free plan is perfect. Just select Free and then Subscribe. Now it's time to upload your ebook. Within PhilMonk, click Upload File and select your ebook in a downloadable format, like PDF or EPUB. Once uploaded, link this file to a product in your Shopify store. Finally, it's a good idea to create a test order. This lets you experience the purchase process as your customer would and confirms that everything is working correctly. And that's it. Your ebook is now ready to sell on your Shopify store, providing a seamless experience for your customers and expanding your digital product offerings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Happy selling!